How to factory reset your Android 15 using phone settings. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to system. Tap the system. Again scroll down. Tap the reset options. At the bottom end you can find the erase all data or factory reset option. Different Android device has slightly different setting. You can also direct search on your Android device. Search for the factory reset. Here you can find the factory reset option on your device. So tap on it. Now tap the erase all data factory reset. Now here you can see the list of erased data from your phone's internet storage, including your Google account, system and app data setting, downloaded apps, music, photos and other data. Also your login account detail, WhatsApp account, Google account and any other account you log in with your Google on your device. Also tick mark this to remove the eSIM detail on your device. Now tap the erase all data at the bottom right corner. Now unlock it. Now you can find the erase all data. All your personal information, download apps will be deleted. So make sure backup your important data before tap on the erase all data option on your Android 15. It will remove all your phone's data and reset to its factory default. So make sure backup your important data. After that apply the erase all data option and it will delete your phone's permanently data. That's it. If you like it, share it.